Good morning. Well, I'm at a rest area and I just thought I'd show you kind of what a typical morning after sleeping at a rest area is like. The dogs have both been fed and walked, and so they're just kind of hanging out. Cooper's inside there in his little tent. They both slept in there last night. I decided not to let them sleep with me just so that I could have a little better night's sleep. Charging up the GPS, phone down there, just some stuff. This is kind of what the breakfast area looks like. Just made some oatmeal and coffee, and I ran out of my regular cooking fuel, so I ended up using a little Esbit. This is kind of my backup. These little cubes are little fuel, I don't know what they're called, fuel cubes or squares or whatever. You just put it in there, light it, and cook. So got in here late last night, cooked some food with that, and last night I also slept on this table. These long big concrete tables are actually pretty good for sleeping on. You just put the mat, the roll, or the sleeping bag pad down, and then put the sleeping bag on it and climb inside and zip yourself in there and stay warm. And it got pretty chilly. We're about 25 miles from the border with Utah. We're in Idaho still. Yesterday was a pretty brutal day as far as riding. Did 80 miles. The last rest area was about 100 miles from the border, and I thought, let's see how far we can go, and ended up going 80 miles because this was the next rest area. So I'm gonna kind of take it easy a little this morning, recharge the batteries, rest a little bit, check out the maps, figure out where I want to spend the rest day. Tomorrow, Saturday. We should be in Utah by then, so just gonna eat breakfast then and relax and then get on the road.